Hello YouTube, this is my Casablanca Delta II ceiling fan, 50-inch. It's in, I think this is a pewter finish or an antique brass finish. I'm actually not really sure. I'm actually starting to think that it's a pewter finish. Anyways, this is the 4-bladed model. And I'm not quite sure exactly when it's from, but it's definitely before 1988. So, it's got 2 pull chains, and the reason for that is because this one here is for the fan, and then this one's for a light in case you have a light. I don't have a light right now, but I will be adding one on. And I'll probably make a video when I get that. It's got beautiful blades. I don't know how well you can see it. I'm using my old camera, and the lighting doesn't really show up that well. And this one has a stack motor. I'm not sure if it's K55 or K63. I don't know. And the flywheel is still good. It is I think it's a metal flywheel. I don't know. Because this part's metal, but this part's rubber right here. This part here. Anyway, I still have it on the same 3-speed control, except the fan goes kind of slow. Actually, I have it off right now. Yeah, there. It goes kind of slow on medium and low on the control, so I use the pull chain controls. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to see. Oh, and there's the Casablanca tag right there on the side of the nose. You can't really see it, of course. Actually, let me get my flashlight. There. And you can see the stack motor up there. This one's got sort of swirled GE vents, which is a difference because the Delta I had regular GE vents. So, let's go ahead and power it up on high. It makes a bit of bearing noise. Doesn't bother me though. And this thing is powerful. It's very, very powerful. It's medium. I don't really know what that noise is. Maybe you'll be able to hear it, but it kind of goes like. I don't think it's bearings. And low speed. Low speed goes pretty slow. It's a very good low speed. So, now let's turn it off. Stop it with my hand. So I really like this fan. The only problem I have, as you heard, was that noise. I don't know if you could hear it actually, but it's coming from up here. I'm not sure how to fix that. I'm not sure what that is. It is kind of annoying, but you know, I don't really mind. Yeah. I do need to get a canopy clip to put in here because I've heard of these fans that the ball slips out of the hang true. So I'm probably going to have to get a canopy clip. They make them, or they made them, I'm not sure if they still make them or not. And you put it in the canopy and it holds the ball up so that it stays in place. So that is the Casablanca Delta II that I have installed in my room. Thank you for watching and have a good day.